I have finally found a process that has been actually life-changing, and I am excited to share it with you. I'm Connor. I'm an artist. I've been struggling with trying to find a way to discover how to align my passions and my career in this life. But this video is for anybody, small business owners, designers, bands, anybody. I think that this is an amazing way to build an income source by combining your career and your passions in life. And pretty much anybody can do it. I'm a designer. I design and sell a new t-shirt every single day for my project called Everyday. This is Everyday. It's free to run, and when I sell a t-shirt, it's automatically printed, packed, and shipped to my supporters without me even knowing it. And it's not just t-shirts. You can design, customize, and sell 100 plus apparel, accessory, home, and art related projects by tonight in your own store with zero investment. I'm going to show you how to do it. No bullshit. This process is called Print on Demand, and the company is Printful. You can open a free Printful account at the link in the description below. Subscribe to see all my print on demand tutorials coming soon. I'll answer all your questions in the comments. Please like to support the channel and share with anyone you know who should be doing this. And if you're ready, lock in because we're starting now.